Rồi. Rồi.
Hello, welcome back to another video. Now we're going to test which one's higher and which one's lower. So first we're going to start with this one right here. I have two of these sticks, and let's see. 3, 2, 1. That was a low sound. Next is this one. You might need to move this. That's already done. 3, 2, 1. That was low. So we have done 2 of those. Now the second one. We have 2 of these. 3, 2, 1, go! Was that a high sound or a low sound? Great job, it was a high sound. Next is this one. 3, 2, 1, go! Was that a high sound or a low sound? High sound. Great job, high sound. Oh my bunny had a sound, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm we had the cow, E-I-I-O. And in the farm we had a cow, E-I-I-O. Go twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
One more.
One more twinkle.
Yes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
So which one higher? Higher pitch. Gõ lên, gõ lên. Make a sound. Which one lower pitch? Make a sound. Yes. Good job. Well done. Thank you.
Try break this box. Okay, and try it again. Let me hear it. Okay, do it. So, how I wonder what you are. Okay.
So what is higher? From that.
Higher is this one.
Which one is middle? And which one is lower? Thank you. Good job, Ken.
Ah!